Alright, so I have explored the whole island of Stora Sandön, the island here in Värmdö, and now I'm ready to swim back to the mainland of Värmdö. So uh, let's then get going and take a swim here to the other side of around 500 meters on this 1st of August 2024, and on this sandy beach here at Stora Sandön. Right, so yes, that was the end of the exploring of Stora Sandön, as I mentioned. So now it's time to swim back, but let's just wait a bit for the sun to reappear and start swimming back to the other side. All right, let's then start swim back to the mainland, 500 meters, starting off from this tiny sandy beach on the west coast of Stora Sandön. All right, looking forward to get back to mainland after exploring this beautiful island of Stora Sandön. It was actually quite crowded on the main beach on the north side, with so many boats and people passing by with boats to here, but yeah, then let's start swimming to the other side. Let's hope not many boats pass by. And now I notice that I'm gonna have some waves coming at me. But yeah, it's going to be an adventure for 15 minutes now. As I'm swimming with only one hand, as you can see, as I'm holding the GoPro in the other. It feels so close though, it doesn't feel like 500 meters. I think the distance is less, but yeah, it's nice. I'm so happy that I explored Stora Sandön, and it's on this wonderful 1st of August. As I mentioned, we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 in the sea. And I notice it's also hard to speak while swimming longer distance. So here we have also Baltic at that point with lots of boats. But hopefully not many boats will pass by when you swim here, and maybe I need to speed up also now. So yeah, follow me on my swim back to mainland of Värmdö from Stora Sandön. Let's go! and I have already swam more than half the distance between Stora Sandön and these rocks here at Baltic. So I have around 100 meters left now, and it seems to be quiet here without any boats passing by. So let's stay that way. I have just few hundred meters, 100 meters left, and I have had a bit of waves coming at me. So far at 9 minutes, so a little bit faster on the way back. Not sure why, but yeah, let's now pull the final stretch here. As I can see the mainland very close. Amazing swim and beach adventure today. So let's continue swimming a bit more. Woohoo! And I am very, very close now to the mainland after swimming all the way from Stora Sandön back here to Värmdö. And it's amazing feeling to swim and explore in the beautiful Baltic Sea here in Stockholm. So yeah, a little bit tired from the swimming and exploring, but I just made it safe and sound back to the mainland. So quite a nice beach adventure today for sure, that I'm going to remember. I'm feeling blessed to be able to swim and explore the beauty here. So yes, this is the mainland in form of rocks here in Värmdö, close to Baltic. So yeah, that's about it. Let me just touch the ground also, so I'm safe and sound. Alright, yes. So I made it safe and sound, and I was swimming all the way from Stora Sandön. The clock says, okay, it was also 14 minutes and 50 seconds was it or something, so almost the same as on the way in. So yes, let's then end that exercise. And yes, that's a wrap then from this adventure from Stora Sandön here and my swim to and from the island. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I hope you enjoyed my swim and beach adventure, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures 3!